Hey everybody, Crafting Journey here, that journey over on Instagram. Happy social media day. Got my gnome coffee here. It is after work. I couldn't wait to get off work. And I went to a crafting retreat recently up in Ohio where I got to meet the individuals that run and operate Crystal Canvas Arts. Amy, oh my God, it was so nice to meet you. You're beautiful, and but they didn't bring any paintings for me to look at while I was there. So after I got home, within a few days, they had put some up on their site. Let me show you what I purchased. Came in this small box, so it wasn't a large box, a large painting that I bought. But here's a hint. I love gnomes. Yes, I do. It doesn't matter whether I'm coloring, diamond painting, watercolor. I haven't watercolored some gnomes. I need to do that. I do. Anyway, I digress. Beautifully packaged because Crystal Canvas Arts is located in the U.S. So they bring their stock into the U.S. and then they sell it. So once you buy it, purchase it, and they ship it, it gets to your door within a few days, which is such a nice surprise because, you know, as a diamond painter, I'm used to ordering something and then forgetting about it because I know it's not going to be here for whatever, you know. But this one, few days, I'm like, what's that? What? It's here already? Yep. Crystal Canvas Arts. Now these are little snack paintings, but oh my God, so cute, so well packaged. Both of these in this box. She gave me a nice little thank you note. Also came with a discount from DP with Sparklers. Oh my gosh, yes. And I'm going to talk to them about sponsoring our next event. Mickey Sunshine and Creates and I are doing a diamond painting event coming up here soon called The Great Escape. I'm going to see if I can get these guys on board. I like their stuff. And it's all crystals. Yes. I've done at least one all crystal painting that is actually displayed in my office at work. It's a very mature painting. It's some roses that are in this crystal bowl, and it's a gorgeous painting. So I'm going to open the little one first. Let's go with the little box first. Now, this is the diamonds. Oh, how cute. Oh, some pretty diamonds in there. Okay. Okay. You guys, this is what I like about their toolkit. A pink tray. Could you just die? You know how I love pink. So you get a pink tray. It's like your regular toolkit, except the tray is pink. So I am absolutely going to keep these trays, these pink trays. I love them. 2 pieces of wax, a blue pen, a squishy, and that's it. That's the toolkit. Very efficient. Look at this baby. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at the back of it. This is soft lint, a snack size soft lint painting. And it is machine cut. So, you know, it's cut here by a machine. It is not serrated like some of your higher end paintings are, but it only has 10 colors. Oh my God, I want to do this like right now. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Isn't that adorable? He's got himself a cup of coffee, you know, he's got a little frappe, a bow in her hair. Oh my gosh, I love it. Is the bow pink? Let's see. C is number 10, which is a very light pink. Let me just look at the drills on this one real quick. There's some pinks, yellows. There's not a lot of bright colors in this one, but really cute. Oh my gosh, look at this pink. Look at that. It's adorable. Yellow. So really cute, 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 cute. Oh my gosh. So cute. All right, here is the bow in her hair, and it's just this pale, pale, pale pink. I'll put it next to the other pink. They're both pinks. One is much brighter than the other one. But you know what? I can change it up if I want to. Maybe the bow, maybe I want to make the bow an AB. You never know. I like mixed drill paintings. So the majority of the color, which is the background, which is this silver. Yeah. Loving it, loving it. I might put some ABs in here because I do like to mix up the drills. Yep. Very nice, AB. Very, very nice. Well done. Well done. I love me a gnome. Oh, so what could this one be? I don't know. Let's find out. 20 by 25. That's what this one is. 20 by 25 centimeters. Same toolkit. Loving the pink trays. Oh my gosh. Now, this one has substantially more drills than the first one. Wow, a lot of silver. Holy moly. Lots of colors. I don't think it's much bigger, but lots of colors. Same thing, soft lint, which I really like the feel of a soft lint canvas. One of the things that's good about a soft lint canvas is that it will lay flat on its own. You don't have to roll it backwards. You don't have to worry about bubbling or anything like that. It's poured glue, and as soon as you lay it out, it'll lay flat within seconds. Yeah. So oh God, this is so pretty. Look at this. How adorable is that? Oh my gosh. So even on their smaller canvases, they've got a schematic in the upper left, the bottom right. Even on the 20 by 25, there's a schematic. That's this one right here that shows you all of the colors and the symbols. This is a 40 by 60. Oh, I'm loving it. I don't think it's like any specific occasion. I just thought it was super cute with the stars. Oh. So one is red, one is lavender, one is blue. And he's got a star in his cap. She's got some stars in her cap. Oh, so cute. So adorable. Now next year is my year of fantasy. So I'm going to be doing these next year. This year is the year of landscapes, but I saw these gnomes, and I'm going to tell you a little secret. There are more gnomes on the site. That's a secret. This is not the only ones. I didn't buy them all. There's way more. Yeah, and a lot of other beautiful paintings. Guys, check out crystalcanvas.us. Now, there are 33 colors in this painting. And I will show you that it is now laying flat. Look at this, 33 colors in this painting. Gorgeous. So it's more than a snack. This is what a normal painting the size of a normal painting used to be. It didn't used to be gigantic, but this one is just gorgeous. 33 colors. And here's what I like about the way they have organized the symbols. 1 is a 1, 2 is a 2, 3 is a 3. Yay. Nothing irritates me more than 1 is a G, and 2 is a 4. Wait, why? Who does that? The Chinese. They do it to confuse us. But Crystal Canvas Arts has made 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4. Yay. And they go down alphanumerically to number 8. Then they start with A, and then they go through the alphabet. I love it. I love it. And like I said, if you want to switch it up, you can. If your drill stock is good and you want to switch it up and put some ABs into it, you certainly can. And if you want to get with DP with sparklers or diamond painting drills, you can order more stuff to bling it out with. You can order some more ABs or some jellies, or the sky's the limit. But just having gnomes makes me happy. And of course, I did say it is poured glue, so very sticky. Yep, you don't have to worry about that anymore with poured glue. All right, guys, that is my gnomes. I had to show you guys. So I'll see you in my next video. Take care, everybody.